Robots. Robots are automated machines that were invented in the 20th century, although nothing compares to the newer versions that are emerging in the current 21st century. We now have robots that can play soccer, fly, emulate an animal, and do many other tasks. Many see robots as the future of this world, and soon a world without them will be hard to imagine. Experts believe that robots will find the solutions to many of our problems, while others believe that they will collapse and destroy humanity. What is robotic technology? Robotic technology is the science of robots. According to the dictionary, robots are a machine capable of carrying out a complex series of actions automatically, especially one programmable by a computer. How exactly does a robot work? A robot must have 5 basic parts in order to work properly. It must have a brain, which includes the processor, a software, which includes the program, and moving parts that provide movement. Robots must also have an energy source. Energy sources may be in battery form, fuel form, solar, or even chemical form. They must also have sensors. Without sensors, robots cannot be able to sense the surrounding space and perform the desired functions and tasks. Opposing point of view. Robots clashing the economy. If robots seem so great, why do many people criticize the use of robotics? The main reason is because manufacturing factories are now using automated machines, also known as robots. These factories and big corporations are investing on robots rather than hiring people to do the job. The machines do the same job at a higher speed and with higher precision, boosting up the company's profit. Economic critics argue that with this rise of automation, jobs are being lost and unemployment is increasing at a high pace. Will the economy actually crash in a robotic world? It's pretty obvious that in a robotic world, the economy will not completely crash. Even if jobs are being lost, new jobs are always being created. Robots need manufacturers, sellers, programmers, software analysts, maintenance people, and many other people behind doing the unseen task of a robot.
Why does Rick Reeder care about robots?
Because they're cool, Eric.
I know they're cool,
And
Stephanie.
that's why everyone cares about them.
They are cool, and I think they're changing the world. And that's probably a euphemism for technology. I think we're going through an extraordinary period of that doesn't get nearly enough commentary about the productivity. People talk about in the 90s, the internet revolution. I actually think the manifestation of the internet, data transmission, logistics, robotics, is actually playing out right now. Part of why I think employment is going to grow much slower than the economy is going to grow is because you're creating this incredible movement towards companies becoming more productive using technology.
Another opposing point of view, robots dominating the world. Many people have this fear that robots will one day become conscious, evil, and replace humans in every aspect of life. They fear that they will become slaves to robots and that all humanity will be destroyed by thinking robots will dominate the world. Is it really possible for a robot to become self-conscious? The aspect of a robot becoming self-conscious seems almost impossible. Robots must be able to learn new things by themselves, apply new learning into real-life circumstances, and must also have feelings just like humans do. In today's world, there's no robot that's even close to becoming self-aware. The human body is perfect in every aspect, and replicating our own human intelligence is an impossible view. Robots don't do anything beyond their set of instructions. The idea of a robot showing any emotion seems easily refutable. We must start supporting initiatives for a robotic world. The greatest initiative right now in robotics technology was started by President Obama, and it is called the National Robotics Initiative. As stated by the government website, This initiative focuses on developing robots that work with or beside people to extend or augment human capabilities, taking advantage of the different strengths of humans and robots. The government very well knows that the robots can be the solutions to the problems we are currently facing. The main mission of this initiative as of right now includes the solution to 4 main problems. Problem 1. The government is seeking to increase productivity. Problem 2. The government is also seeking to assist astronauts in dangerous and expensive missions with the use of robotics. Problem 3. Another mission of this initiative is to help scientists discover new life-saving drugs with cures to many deadly diseases. The fourth problem that the government is seeking to solve with the use of robotic technology is to improve food safety by rapidly sensing microbial contamination. Working together with robots. Robots are not bad and will never be bad in any way. We need to learn to work together with robots and not against them. According to Thomas Gray, a fully automated society is a powerful one, and the country with the most responsive systems to adjust to these new realities and leverage change quickly will rise in prominence on the world stage. Instead of finding all these disadvantages of the use of robots, we should try to create new robots that will find the solution to hunger, natural disasters, violence, poverty, overpopulation, and other problems. Robotic technology is a great source to solve these problems, and if we learn to use it to our advantage, life will become better for everyone.